sewing with a little series that I like to call Sewing 101. Using a sewing machine for the first time can be pretty confusing, and so in a short series of videos I'm going to be showing you how to use it step by step. And today we're going to be looking at how to thread your machine properly. The first thing you're going to need is your thread. So I've grabbed a nice red one so that you can see it properly as it goes through the machine. So as you can see, just where the handle is, you have a little bit of plastic that will pull off, and you're just going to put your thread onto there and put the plastic back on. So far, so good. Grab your thread and move over to the left, and then you're just going to place it under this little hook. If you can manage that with just one hand, well done. And you're then going to grab it and just place it under there. Mine then has some lovely arrows to show you where to put your thread, so you're going to put it down, go back up, like that. Now you're going to have to turn your needle to bring this piece of metal up here, and you're going to hook your thread around that. And now you're going to come and place it. As you can see, you've got another little hook here, and you're going to hook your thread around that. I'm not sure I'll be able to do this with one hand. Yay! Pure luck, pure luck. So that has now gone through there. Once you have managed to just put your thread around the little hook, you're going to have to thread your needle front to back. Once again, left-handed, single-handed. Yay! We're on a roll. So once you have your thread through your needle, you're just going to place it under your foot. And you're ready to go. For the bottom thread, you're going to need a little bobbin. So you just open the drawer, open the door, and you have your canister here. You have a little lever on your canister that you're just going to need to pull out, and the canister comes out all by itself. If you want to put it back in, make sure it looks like a 6. You see the little groove up there is where the top bit needs to go in. Just push it. When you hear it click, you're done. So lever out, pulls the canister out, and now we're going to place the bobbin. Grab the end of your thread, and you're going to just sit it in the bobbin, and then find the little groove. So for me, it's over here, and you're just going to pull your thread through there. Left-handed, single-handed. Feed your thread round, and it's going to have to go under this bit of metal here, which is going to be a lot easier with 2 hands, so you should have no trouble with it whatsoever. Not like me. That is now in place. So as you can see, the bobbin has gone through this little groove, down under the metal, and has just come out in the little gapey hole bit. Now you just need to put it back in. So like I said earlier, find the little groove, push it in, and leave the thread dangling. To get the thread above, you're going to just need to spin the needle down. Your red thread will appear underneath. Pull on your red thread, and the white will appear above. Then just grab your white thread, and there you have it. You now know how to thread your machine. Just remember to either not have your machine plugged in when you're threading it, or that the light is off and your foot isn't on the press pedal, so that you don't catch your fingers on the needle when you're threading. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here next week.